guys, so in our first tutorial we're going to learn how list comprehension works and how we can use this to improve our readability and maintainability in our code. So let's first define a string 1, and this is a string of some random characters like some special characters. Also you can put some letters in here. So whatever you're gonna put it here, it's your choice. So we have defined a string, right? Now let's say we want to get the unicodes of these characters. Unicode means a numerical representation of each character. If you have done C programming previously, you may see that there is a thing called ASCII code, right? So in Python, the same thing is called Unicode. So Unicode, we can obtain the Unicode of any character by using the ORD function. This is the function, right? So let us define a list of Unicodes, and this is initially an empty list. Now I'm gonna run a for loop over this string. For character in string 1, for charac in string 1, I'm writing in a short way, so I have just written charac. So for each character of the string, I'm going to append the Unicode in the list. So list of Unicodes dot append, then I will pass ORD of the character, right? So now if we try to print the list of Unicodes, I will get the list of numbers that are the Unicodes of each of these characters. Okay, now let's run this script. Okay, as you can see here, there are some numbers. Each number is the Unicode of these characters. Okay, now we have done this thing using these two lines, right? So we don't need to do this way. We can implement this whole functionality in these list directly, and this is called list comprehension, and this improves our code readability and maintainability. Okay, now let's write character, ORD charac, and where this charac is coming from, this is coming from for character in string 1, right? Okay, now just comment out these two lines, and let's, okay, no, there's a problem. Okay, I'm commenting out these two lines. Now let's run the script again. You can see here we have got same thing, same output, just by only one line of code, right? And you can also put some condition here. I can write if ORD of character is greater than, let me put it greater than something like 35, okay, or 36. If I write this, then if I try again to run the script, I'm getting two character missing, right? Those two characters are actually 36 and 35, right? So you can see I can easily apply condition here at the same time. So this is called list comprehension. We can do several things with this list, with this feature, and this makes our script much more clearer, reducing the number of lines of code. Okay, now let's try something fun. Okay, let's say you have two colors and three sizes, right? Let me first write the colors. Colors are let's say red. Okay, there's a, okay, colors are red, black, yellow. I have let's say I have 4 colors: red, black, yellow, and white. Then I have sizes. Sizes are, let's say, start with small. Then comes M for medium. Then comes large, and then I can write XL, and also you can write double XL, right? So for each of these colors I have 5 sizes, right? So how many combination we can get from here? We can get 4 times 5, we can get 20 combinations, right? So I can get all these combinations using list comprehension easily. So let's write combinations. Okay, how can I write it? Okay, let's apply this combination. Apply one combination in a tuple form, right? We want to get each combination in a tuple form. First of all, we write the color, and then we're going to write the size. Then what you're going to do for color in colors, then comes for size in sizes. Okay, so what this is going to do here? For one color, first of all, this will enter into the loop, this loop. First of all, we can see that it will grab the value red. For red value, it will then loop over all the sizes. For red value, we will get 5 combinations. Then then it will turn into the black value, right? Then for black, we will get another 5 combinations, and so on. And thus we can get 20 combinations, right? Okay, let me print this. Okay, combinations. Okay, let's try to print this. Okay, so you see here that red small, red medium, red large, red XL, then red double XL, black small, black large, all the combinations we have got here. And if we try to print print the length of these combinations, we can see that we have got 20 elements, 20 combinations. So you are seeing that I have, at the same time, I have run Cartesian product, right? This is same as Cartesian product. We have applied Cartesian product between these two lists. So I think you have found it much more helpful. So in the next video, we'll cover some special methods in Python programming language that can make our life much more easier.